So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to transfer a drawing in a new sheet. So it is very simple. Let's say you have created a new file. Always check about the units. You will enter, and as you can see that it is in inches, then convert it and change it to millimeters or whatever unit you are using. Press OK. Then go to the first sheet and select the whole drawing. Press Ctrl C. Go to the new sheet and press Ctrl V and just click on the screen, and that's it. Your drawing will be on the same point that you have left on your older sheet. Now you would have a question that why is the image not appeared in this new sheet. So for that you again have to go to attach, and you have to again attach the photo to the new sheet. If you want to learn about that, then you should go check it out on my channel. I have a full detailed video on it. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.